Another day, another voxbox. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. And today I'm super duper excited to be opening this Influenster voxbox. The last time we opened an Influencer voxbox on our channel, or basically the first time, we hope you guys enjoyed that video, but if you guys didn't, please make sure to go watch it. But in that video, we unboxed some COSAS products. They were amazing products, and I really enjoyed unboxing them. So we received this Influencer box the other day, and I wanted to show it to you guys. So this is the Influencer Lily Lashes Wax Box, and it looks really cool. Lily Lashes, if you guys don't know, is a brand for your eyelashes. Pretty obvious, but yeah. It helps your eyelashes grow, and it makes your eyelashes really pretty. So, yeah, let's open this. Here we have this Lily Lashes Level Up Lash Conditioning Serum. Here we have 3 levels. I'm sorry if you guys can't see this, but I'm trying my best. Okay, here's level 1. 6 weeks, get committed, use nightly. Level 2, you 10 weeks, keep going, you've got this. Level 3, 14 weeks, mission accomplished. Anyways, this has a really beautiful packaging and a really awesome packaging. I'm so excited to open this, although it's the only item in this box. So here we have the serum. Again, this is a Lily Lashes Level Up Lash Conditioning Serum. It has a really beautiful packaging, and I think my mom is going to really enjoy using it. It has really nice colors that blend in really well with each other in this packaging. But let's open and see how this looks. So here's the tip. And here's what it looks like in the inside. Of course, you can't see the product, but yeah. I hope my mom really enjoys using this product. And if you guys did already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell notifications to always get our new videos. Bye, guys. Bye. See you guys in the next video.